To solve this example, it is you are requested to find the value of x here and the value of alpha and beta here and the value of beta here. So to do that, the first principle for the first example, you have to use same-sided interior angles as is shown here. For x plus 10 and x plus 20, they are same-sided because they are located to the left of this slanted line, and at the same time they are interior angles. So that means the rule said that the sum of same-sided interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So that means for x plus 10 plus x plus 20 is equal to 180 degrees. So that means for x plus 10 plus x plus 20 is equal to 180, which means just this one. It will be 5x is equal to 180 minus 30 degree. Then it will be 5x is equal to 150x will be 30 degree. So in this case it is 30 degree. Then if you substitute and check it, 4 times 30, it will be 120. 120 plus 10, it is 130. 130 plus 50, it will be 180 degrees. So based on this one, the first is just this one is the solution. The second example, in this case, what you are going to do, just corresponding angles. So to x plus 20 and 4x, these are corresponding angles and they are equal. So that means to x plus 10 to x plus 20 is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. So that means equal to 4x. Then to x, then 4x minus 2x is equal to 20. Then to x is equal to 20. X is equal to 10, right? X is equal to 10. So that means the angles are just 2 times 10 plus 20 is equal to 40, and 4 times 10 is equal to 40. So this and this angles are equal. Then next, what you are going to do, just if you consider this angle, it is just 4x plus beta must be 180 degree. So that means 4 times x, which is 10, plus beta is equal to 180 degree. Then that means just beta will be 180 degree minus 40 degree, which is 140. Right, so the beta will be just 140 degree. So this is for the second one. The third one, we call them alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles means this angle is equal with beta and alpha will be equal to just to the other side, this side. So that means if beta is equal to the other side, it is, since they are alternate interior angles, these are interior inside these two lines and this is also inside two lines, so they are equal. So beta is equal to 50 degree. Then that, because this degree and this angle and this angle are equal based on the principle of alternate interior angles, then that means beta plus alpha is 180 degree because it will create just a straight line just like this. So that means alpha is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree, then alpha will be 130 degree. So in this case beta is 50 and alpha is 130 degree. So that means if it is 130 and if it is 50, this means totally it will create 180 degree. Then this side also 130 degree plus 50, it is 180 degree.